Hey garage people, coming back at you with the long-awaited update here you've all been waiting for. Camaro is up on the lift, and I'll show you what we're working with here. We turn you around. Nice little hole in our engine pan, oil pan, engine pan. If you look close, you can see my windage tray and crank scraper in there. That is a chunk of a connecting rod, but our block looks okay. So you never know. I'm gonna get this thing pulled out and we'll see what parts we can save. I am cautiously optimistic. Stay tuned, folks.